Hi, welcome to the LS Creations latest polymer clay tutorial. Here we're going to be using the Skinner blend. So we make a triangle out of purple and red and lay them down like so. Then we pick this up and what we do is we fold it in that direction. Now what you must remember with a Skinner blend is you've got to continue to fold it in the same direction each time. If you don't, and you put one colour end to the other colour end, it won't work. So here I am just speeding it up. I'll roll it up a few times and keep putting it through the pasta machine, and you end up with an effect like this. So now we're going to use this sheet and start making a little owl. So we grab a oval shaped cookie cutter and press it into a nice part of the Skinner blended sheet. Push it in nice and firmly. Then remove the outer piece of clay, remembering to try and keep it intact because we're going to use a bit of this again. So now we've got our little piece, and we'll grab a square shaped cookie cutter, and I use the corners of this on a slight angle just to define the head from the body. The head doesn't stay this shape, as I'll show you in a second. We do start to shape it. So now we start to mould it into a shape that we actually want for this particular owl. So just keep moulding it with your fingers like this, and just remember to keep flattening it out because it will bubble up when you distort the sides. And once you're done, you should end up with something like this. Now what we do is we grab a teardrop shaped cookie cutter and find a nice piece of your sheet and just press it in nice and firmly to get all the way to the bottom. And then just cut it directly down the center with your tissue blade and give it a bit of a curve and flatten it out a bit more and mould it just to the sort of shape that you're after to make a wing like this. So now that we've got our two wings, you should have something that looks similar to this. Now what we'll do is we'll add the eyes. So first we start off with a roll of white. We'll just cut two pieces off for the base layer of the eyes, and then just lay them on your little owl where you want them and press them down. Not too hard, otherwise they will indent the head. Now the next steps will be adding the blue pigment to the eyes, and then obviously the black pupils. I'll do this a little bit quicker just to keep the time of the video down for you guys. So here I am just placing them on there with the ball stylus and then pressing them down slightly. And we'll do the same now with the black for the pupils. Now what we do is we'll grab a little bit of pink and we'll be using this for the beak. So we will use our little teardrop shaped and just press a little corner out like so, and again using the small ball stylus tool we'll just position him on there where we want him and give it a little press down. Try not to distort the shape too much, and then we'll make two little nostrils with the ball tool just like this. Now I'll bake him in the oven according to the instructions on the packet, and then you can decorate him further with some acrylic paint once he's baked. You can put all sorts of patterns on him, little spots or stripes. You can even grab a glue-on bail, and that way you can use him as a pendant for a necklace, or maybe a magnet so he can be a fridge magnet. Here's a bigger blue one that I made earlier. Check out the link to Polymer Clay Creations below for some more great ideas on what you can make and other good tutorials. I would love to hear your thoughts on these little creations, so please leave a comment below. And remember to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.